Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create audio notes in the Obsidian Notes application. For example, to speak your thoughts into your microphone, to save these as a note here inside your Obsidian Notes workspace. So let us guide you through this. Launch the Obsidian Notes application, navigate to your Vault or workspace in the bottom left. And first guys, make sure that your microphone is turned on and also connected to your computer/device. In the next step, you will need to enable the audio note feature, because for me at least it was disabled on default, so you will need to turn it on. To do that, navigate to that gear icon next to your Vault in the bottom left. Then head over to Core Plugins on the left hand side, and at the very top you will see the audio recorder. This is going to allow you to record audio notes, and as you can see guys, they are switched off. So to turn them on, here use that switch, close the menu, and here on the left hand side you will see that audio recorder button. So all you will need to do guys is left click into it, start speaking into your microphone, and once you're done with recording your note, click into it again to stop the recording, and after that you will be given the opportunity to listen to your note. So let me do that for the sake of this tutorial and record a short 5-second note. Test, 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 and that's a test note, audio note. I'm going to stop the recording now by left clicking into this icon. And there you go. As you can see, that's not 5 but actually 9 seconds, and you can listen to your audio note by clicking into that play button. You will see the audio recording saved in your Vault here to the left in M4A audio file format. And then guys, you will see the given file also in your directory on your device where you store your workspace. You can also remove the given audio file by clicking into these 3 dots in the top right and select delete file. Click into this button, and that is going to remove the audio recording from your Vault. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.